Deep in the heart of Sri Lanka's forests lies a plant with a remarkable ability to lower blood sugar levels. Meet the Sri Lanka Thebu, or Costus speciosus, a plant with a long history of medicinal use among the island's traditional healers. Sri Lanka Thebu is a perennial plant that grows to a height of more than 2 meters. Its leaves are quite elongated, making it a popular medicinal plant. The leaf holds the key to its medicinal properties. For centuries, the leaf of the Sri Lanka Thebu have been used to treat diabetes. This plant has been found to contain compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Recent scientific studies have confirmed the traditional use of the Sri Lanka Thebu in the management of diabetes. The plant's compounds have been found to inhibit the absorption of glucose in the intestine and to stimulate the release of insulin from the pancreas. This helps to keep blood sugar levels in check and prevent the complications associated with diabetes. Sri Lanka Thebu is a substitute for traditional diabetes treatments and can be used as a complementary therapy to manage the condition. These leaves are cut into pieces and dried well in natural sunlight. In this way, the leaf pieces, which have been well dried in the natural sunlight for a few days, are subjected to a pressing process, and this powder is made naturally.